The Nostalgia Retro Countertop Cotton Candy Maker comes packaged in a box. The main unit is nestled inside foam packaging. The package includes a clear rim guard so you can see the cotton candy as it forms. It also comes with a white base rim. It also comes with an extractor head that attaches to the top of the main unit and a power cord. There are also a couple of reusable hard plastic cones included, one in pink and one in blue. When you place the unit on a table surface, the unit comes with suction cup legs on the bottom of the unit, one on each corner. The suction cups help to keep the unit stationary when in use. When standing upright with the branding facing you, the power button is located towards the lower right side of the unit. To assemble the unit, place the white base down with the wider mouth facing up. To secure it, rotate it until you hear a click. Then place the clear rim guard on top, lining up the small tabs between the base and the clear rim guard. The unit also comes with a white plastic scoop for applying the flossing sugar and an instructional manual that provides assembly and care direction.